Are you interested in what AI can do in process modeling? Then this video is for you. The other day I published 2 videos on this channel about ChatGPT and BPMN. René Tobies commented, "Interesting approach. I am amazed at how poorly ChatGPT realizes this. If I take the exact same text from you and have the XML code created in Gemini 2.5 Pro, a complete BPMN diagram is created and displayed correctly in Camunda. This is where Gemini beats ChatGPT by far." Thank you for this hint. So, could the free version of Gemini be better than the paid version of ChatGPT? Let's find out together, shall we? Using the exact same dialogue, let's go to the computer. Can you generate a BPMN process model in Camunda 8 syntax for the following insurance claim business process? The customer completes a damage claim form on the internet and attaches evidence. The insurance clerk reviews the claim and pays for the damage if it is accepted. Otherwise, the insurance clerk informs the customer about the reasons for the rejection of the claim. So, let's see what Gemini is doing here. So it says, yes, I can generate a BPMN process model in Camunda 8 syntax. So I create a new process model from this diagram. It says upload successful, and I will have a look at the diagram. And it says invalid diagram, no diagram to display. So I will tell this Gemini and see what it does. It says, I apologize for the error. It seems there was an issue with the diagram section of the XML. This often happens due to minor discrepancies in the BPMN DI and so on and so forth. So it has created a new version. I will now put this in the diagram and upload it again. Can delete the old one. And it's still the same problem. It still says invalid diagram, no diagram to display. I sincerely apologize for the persistent issue, and now it's creating another XML file. So let's copy this one now. And try this one. So I delete the previous one and create a new one. So have been imported. Still the same error message. So I will tell Gemini it's still the same problem. I'm genuinely sorry to hear that you are still facing the issue. So now it offers to start with a very simple one. Maybe that's another kind of process diagram. And I'll try this one. No, it still says the same. It still says invalid diagram. I understand your frustration, as this is certainly puzzling. So it offers a lengthy instructions and do a sequence of steps, but I think it just can't create the diagram. And yeah, let's now. I mean, this simple process wasn't the one that René was referring to. So let's now try the more complex process that René has referred to. And the complex process, we had this this prompt. Let's put in this prompt. Can you generate a BPMN process model in Camunda 8 syntax for the following pharmacy business process? And I will now upload some file. So now I have the pharmacy business process. To generate a BPMN process model in Camunda 8 syntax, let's break down the pharmacy business process described in the text and then construct the XML. And here's the BPMN process model in Camunda 8 syntax. So this is still generating stuff. Now it's finished. So I can copy paste it. And now put it in here. Still having exactly the same issues. So it says invalid diagram, no diagram to display. I sincerely apologize that you are still encountering the invalid diagram, no diagram to display error. File encoding or hidden characters, I would doubt that. Corrupt, outdated Camunda modeler installation, no, I'm using the cloud version and that must be the latest one. Please follow these steps very carefully. Save the file with absolute precision. Copy the entire XML content from my last response. Open a plain text editor, and so on and so forth. And I basically think that it can't generate anything useful here. The result? It's much worse than ChatGPT. What is the reason for this discrepancy of René's and my findings? Would you like to go the extra mile and try the same prompts with Gemini yourself? Or are you an AI expert and can you explain this to us? Thank you for watching.